What is that?
Tell me.
Don't you remember what is that?
No.
That is pepper powder.
Pepper powder
Huh?
bought from Salala.
Not Salala.
No, India.
Yeah, India. We bought from a home.
And this is salt.
Yeah, that's salt.
And we also had this is was so old.
Old.
Yeah. And this is also so old today.
Uh-huh.
And we also didn't buy it. We had it.
We didn't buy it, right? We had it before.
And this thing wasn't in the shop.
This was not in the shop. It's there in the shop.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, we have got.
Every food is in the shop.
Yeah, every food is in the shop. So let's start making.
I'm going to put the fire on.
So who will put the fire? Umma will put the fire.
Me.
Not me. Not you.
Yeah, could I put this?
Okay, you can on that. And Umma will on the burner. Okay.
And you also have to press this.
Yeah, it's on now.
Now, I'm going to crack it open with this.
What are you making? What kind of egg are you making? Are you gonna make omelette or bullseye? Do you put
Bullseye.
bullseye? So you
The
don't want to
egg in
put onions in it?
No.
No?
I want to be in the top a yellow.
Yellow color you want in the top? Like a bull's
So
eye?
let's start making.
Yeah, let's start.
No,
Let it
no,
become
no.
hot. Let it become hot and let's pour some.
I have to see if it's hot.
Yeah.
It's so hot. Feel it.
It's a hot? No, it's not that hot. It's a little hot. Right?
Yeah.
So you need to put coconut oil first, right?
Yeah.
Little bit of coconut oil.
Okay, my mom is going to put it. Could I put it in for me in the lid?
Yeah, sure.
In
Will
the
it-
lid, in the lid.
Okay.
My mom
Is
always...
it coming?
No.
Is it coming now? Yeah, it came now. Okay, that's enough, right?
Could I put?
Now it has become hot. Yeah, very good.
Yeah. Wait. Could I just spread it?
Yeah, you can spread it.
We have to spread it for the egg
Uh-huh.
so it won't be sticky.
Okay.
Well,
Everybody should do with the help of their elders, right? You can't do this alone.
My also brother can do it. So my brother can do it my brother's self.
Okay,
I
Bhaiya do it himself, right?
Yeah.
Without Uma's help.
Yeah.
He
He can do it when anytime he wants. But he also had to ask.
Yeah,
Mom,
he
like
should
you.
ask me. Yeah, he should ask me first. He should get my permission. Then only he can do it, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm afraid whether he will get burned or not. Now, is that fine?
Yeah.
Is that hot enough?
Yeah.
Okay, now you are gonna
Hey,
break
feel
it.
Feel it. You feel
Okay, I'll feel it. Yeah, it's hot.
it. Enough?
Now, where are you gonna break it open?
Yeah.
You should open it to the pan, right?
Oh,
Please
I-
sit a bit closer.
Because
Okay.
I don't need to get burned.
Yeah, you don't need to get burned.
Mom is telling me because I don't need to get burned.
Yeah, Uma's telling you not to get burned, right?
Oh,
Is that not coming out?
I'll break it first, then I'll do it.
Okay.
That allowed?
I don't want eggshells in the bullseye.
So then I'll do this.
And oh, it's getting too hot now. You look. It's coming out, and eggshells are also there, right? I will help you. Shall I help you to take it out?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'm trying my ouch. A little
All the eggshells are there. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll take it out after.
Yeah, you will take it.
Okay.
You will take it out. I'll take the video for you.
You can't do by yourself.
Yeah. that-
I will do with my one hand.
It's getting so hot that way. Okay, Okay, could also I do it with my one hand?
You didn't do with your two hands, and how are you gonna do with your one hand?
Crack it open with my
Yeah.
thumb. Hey, that doesn't look right.
That doesn't look good.
That means not gonna be.
That is not looking good.
Yeah.
Huh? Is that not looking good?
Yeah, because this is gonna be so bad. Yeah, the bump is gonna be.
The bump is not there.
Yeah.
No, little yellow bump is not there.
Yeah.
What will we do then?
I don't know. Hey, I think there's more.
Yeah, it has got mixed, right?
Little
Let's do one thing. Put more salt, little bit salt and pepper.
Yeah, that's good. A little bit. This is the funniest egg we never before made.
It's the funniest egg.
Also, hey, could we also make a funny egg?
Yeah, this is a funny egg. It has become a funny egg now.
It looks like a headphone.
Headphones? It's looking like a headphone.
Could I take it with my hand?
Yeah, that's better. Otherwise, it may go long. I think you should take a pinch with your two fingers, thumb finger and index finger. Would you please do that?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
I'm afraid it will fall down.
You thought it will? So,
Now it looks fine with like a headphone. Is it looking like a headphone?
I think we need a little bit more. Only little.
Okay, a little bit more. Beva's gonna put little bit more pepper into it. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, it's fine.
Everyone has to repeat us.
Like this.
Yeah.
That they want to make the egg like a headphone,
But it still look like headphones. Also, it's fine.
It's fine, right?
Yeah. I think we don't need to do it in the side.
Oh my god!
That
It burst out.
inside had to go little bit over here, right?
Yeah, you should move away.
From that place!
Mm-hmm.
Fire will come and it will come to my hand.
Yeah. Now please put it faster. I need to off the. It's already cooked. Let me off it.
Okay.
Is that fine? Is that enough?
You off it now. Bring it close.
I can get close and put a little more salt.
Yeah, because
We don't want to make it bitter, so I'll put a little salt. Okay, that's enough. So tell me, what would you like to tell about your
okay.
egg? What would you like to tell about your egg? You're taking a wooden spatula.
Yeah. Could you give me knife and spoon? That's how I want to eat. Could I eat from here?
Yeah, you wanna eat from there?
Here.
Okay, I'll give you a plate.
Or here. Okay,
How would
could
you
I-
take it up? Take it from the pan. Okay, you wanna do by yourself?
Can you have some more rice?
Mm-hmm.
It's not sticky.
No, it's not sticky.
When since we put coconut oil.
Yeah, it's because we put coconut oil. That's why it's not sticky.
Hey, look what I did! Cool, right?
Uh-huh.
And it's also looking bad.
Is it looking bad?
Yeah. It does looking bad. That's fine.
Okay. What would you like to tell about your egg? Tell me.
Spoon frog.
You want fork and a spoon.
No. A knife and a spoon.
You want a knife and a spoon.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a knife.
Always be careful when you have. Oh, this is good.
This is good?
Yeah.
Okay, you should be careful when you have your knife with
Hey,
you.
but could I show you something?
Yeah. What? Okay, you are cutting it and tell me, and you should taste it and tell me how it tastes, okay? That's how chefs
Hey,
do.
first you. That was first chefs.
Yeah,
chefs.
that's what chefs do. You're a junior chef, super chef.
Am I
Mm-hmm.
a super chef?
Yeah, you're a super chef.
I wish I can be a chef.
You wish you would become a chef? Would you like to become a chef?
But
When you are
know
grown
what
up-
I most want to be?
Yeah, what do you want to be?
Super
Super?
girl.
Super girl. Uh-huh, that's
She's
good.
so strong.
You need to be strong also when you grew up. When you grow up, you want to be a strong girl. Yeah, very good. And I want you to be happy too.
Okay, you test it first.
You should I test it?
Yeah, and you also give me a head that way.
Uh-huh. It's yum. A little bit crispy and juicy and so tasty. Now tell me what's your. How is it? Hmm.
It tastes like
Egg.
no. It tastes like lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Okay, then let's wind up the video.
No, we don't need to wind up. Could we just meet today? Then why? Could you also make curry making?
You need to do more YouTube videos. Okay, let's do later. Okay. Now let's wind up this video now. Is
Yeah.
it okay with you?
Could we do never ever stop video?
24 hours video.
No, no, no.
Will anybody
No,
watch our
no.
videos? If we did.
Never ever stop
Now itself
video.
nobody
We can
are
do
watching our
sometimes like that.
Now it's a you look little number of people are watching our videos. So we need more subscribers, right?
Yeah.
Please ask our viewers to subscribe.
And you said we will never ever stop.
Yeah, we will never
Video.
ever. Yeah, we will. Inshallah, we will never ever stop taking videos. And please ask your viewers to subscribe our video to help us grow.
Guys, subscribe our videos.
Yeah, this would really mean a lot to us, right? And it will help us grow. Please like,
And
share, and
maybe-
comment.
And how just don't make by yourself.
Then
You make yourself.
you should ask your elders to be with you, right? When
Or-
when kids are cooking,
Or your
it's so
brothers.
dangerous. Yeah, brothers.
Or your
Yeah, elder brothers or
But
elder sisters.
I'm not going to tell my elder brother.
Why are you not gonna tell your elder?
He does beat us me.
He
And
beat
he
you?
also say no, later. And you see,
Mm-hmm.
after 5 minutes.
That's what he says. Okay, fine. Now please ask your viewers to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Would you please ask?
Hey guys, please subscribe our channel. But if you don't subscribe our channel, just come to our home.
Okay, please come to our home. Okay, see you. Bye bye.
See you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Inshallah, see you tomorrow. Give me bye bye.
Hey, look. In here.
Okay, give me bye bye.
Bye bye.